Hello, scholars. So this week we're going to create a robot, and how to create this robot, we're going to use the element of art called space. First, what we're going to do is have our paper vertical. Write our name on the top left or right side. Flip it over. Now what we're going to do is we're going to first draw the head of this robot. So what I'm going to do is go all the way towards the top of the page, and I'm going to first draw a horizontal line in the middle of the page towards the top of the page, and I'm going to make a oval shape line, a half oval, and that is the robot's head. Now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw a half rectangle shape. Now I'm going to draw the two small rectangle lines for the neck and a square for the body. And the square is going to be a medium-sized square. And now we're going to draw another long rectangle. And then on the bottom, another rectangle. And then I'm going to draw the legs now and the arms. So first I'm going to draw the arms, and the arms are going to be circles. So small circles coming from the sides of the page. And I'm going to use this circle stencil just to show you the size. Yeah, this is fine. Two, three, four. So 4 circles, and then 1 half circle for the robot's hand. And then after that, I'm going to do it the same thing on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. And this time I'm going to start from the bottom and go up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, half circle, so the right arm is going down, the left arm is going up. Now I'm going to draw the legs of the robot. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 circles for each side of the legs. And the legs are going to have rectangle feet. And now we're going to create the robot's facial features. So we have 2 ovals for the eyes with a curve in the middle. And we're going to draw a smiley face, 2 lines for the smile, plus lines in the middle. Now we're going to draw lines for the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, and a rectangle for the inside of the robot. So these are the gadgets of the robot. So we have the facial features and the gadgets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So 6 lines inside of the rectangle. And then on the outside, which is the background, we're going to add different type of lines that we've learned in art. And this is called the background. Add loop-de-loops. Add some more zigzags. So you can add any type of line that you want. I'm going to add loop-de-loops and zigzags so that you can add diagonal lines, swirl lines, wavy lines, loop-de-loop lines. You can add dash lines, straight lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines. Anything that you can come up with, any type of line that you can come up with, you can do, or you can follow what Miss Romeo is doing. So now that the lines are all across the page, now what I'm going to do is outline the robot and the lines. So first I'm going to outline everything that is part of the robot first. And now for the lines, if you don't have black, you can use a blue or purple color. I'm going to choose black for my lines to make it simpler. Oh, I'm going to add lines over here as well. Okay, now that I have My gadgets are now being filled in with the marker. I'm going to move down to the legs. Okay, and now I'm going to do the arms. And make sure that when you're drawing the robot, it starts from the top all the way down to the paper. We want to have the drawing pretty big on the paper. We want to see all of the shapes and lines in the background. So you can color outline the lines. I'm going to use black. You can choose any colors you want for the outlines. Okay, now that everything's outlined, I have a lot of pencil marks, so what I'm going to do right now is get rid of those pencil marks, and then I'm going to start coloring. So I finished coloring the robot. I used 3 different colors for the robot, and then on the background I used one color to overlap the outline of the lines for the robot. So this is the Element of Space robot art project using shapes and lines and colors.